Hello, Matt with Fox Valley Plumbing here. Today I'm talking about the SumPro Platinum system. This was just purchased from a customer here. We'll install it in the Barrington area. This is going to be the most powerful inverter that they sell. It's a 2-battery inverter, and in here we have actually 3rd horsepower pumps and the ion genesis. So the way the system works is like this, and I'm going to show you upon startup. I've already installed the batteries and got this ready to go. So it's given us a 94% charge capacity right now. And that'll vary from 94 to 98% back and forth. This newer system gives us some digital readout here. That way you know exactly how much charge you have left on your batteries. I would expect to change these batteries between 3 to 5 years. Now there's 2 pumps in here. They alternate during normal use. And if upon startup of the system, it's going to verify both pumps to make sure they're usable. We got the 2 check valves here, and they tie together and they go outside to the storm system. So the sequence is like this. You got a digital level sensor on this pump, and we have a high water alarm on this one. And you have the pump power. All 4 of those cords plug into the ion, which is the alternator, and the ion will plug into the inverter. And then the inverter plugs into the wall that's already on. So I'm going to plug in the ion control, and on the screen it'll verify both pumps. So here we go. So it's telling us the version of the ion that it is. It's going to verify pump 1 right here. Okay, so this pump is running, the pit is dry right now. And it's going to verify the 2nd pump. So you hear some water there. Okay, it's going to tell us on the screen everything is normal, and it gives us the set point. You can up and you can raise and lower that if you want. And it tells you how much water is in the pit. Right now we have no water in there. So this is pretty much the state-of-the-art system. And if you're looking for something like this installed in your home, in anywhere in the Chicagoland area, look us up on the web at foxvalleyplumbing.com.